often feel jealousy and envy towards people who seem to have it all in their business and in their life? Jealousy and envy is a really tough emotion to navigate. And if you leave this unchecked, it will eat you up inside and it will prevent you from creating your own success in your business and in your life. So in today's video, we're going to explore this negative emotion called jealousy, and then we're going to explore some powerful strategies that can help you overcome jealousy and turn it into a fuel for your own success. Hey, I'm Joveline. I created this channel to give you simple, practical, and step-by-step strategies to transform your money mindset so that it can strengthen you and allow you to unleash your full potential so that you can create your own thriving business. So if you're new here and if this is something that you are interested in, be sure to subscribe. Jealousy is a natural emotion and it can create a positive impact in our life, or it can be extremely toxic. When you feel jealous, you might feel envy towards others who are already where you want to be, or who have achieved success in their business or in their life. You might look at entrepreneurs who are thriving and feel a deep sense of resentment. Perhaps you scroll through your Instagram and you see your friends achieving all of their goals, and you feel this deep sense of envy. Jealousy can come from many different events that you might have experienced in your life. One of the main drivers of jealousy is insecurity. So when you feel insecure about your worth, about your abilities or your experience, you tend to feel more jealous or envious of others who seem to be more successful than you. People with low self-esteem can be prone to feelings of jealousy. You may compare yourself to others all the time and feel like you're just not good enough, or you're not living up to their standards or other people's expectations. A lot of us, especially entrepreneurs, can feel like we're not experienced enough, we're not smart enough, we're not good enough, we're not good looking enough, or we're just not plain enough. And what this leads to is feelings of envy towards others who look like they have it all. Jealousy also arises when you feel like your own emotional or material needs haven't been met. So for example, if you often dreamed of purchasing your own home one day, you can tend to feel jealous of people like friends and family who might have purchased their new home or who are currently living in their dream home. Social comparison and competitive mindset can also fuel our jealousy. Growing up in a society or an environment where our self-worth is measured by our educational and sporting achievements really doesn't help. It's no wonder why we grow up to be adults who measure ourselves up to everyone around us. And when we don't achieve what our expectations are and what our family expect from us, we feel inadequate, and that's why we feel envious towards others who look like they have it all. Previous experiences of rejection, failure, or betrayal even can contribute to jealousy, because these experiences create a fear of being overlooked, or it creates a belief within us that success is elusive, which leads to jealousy towards others. Setting unrealistic expectations on yourself can also be a constant trigger for the feelings of jealousy. Because in your mind, you probably think to yourself, my business should be here by now, or I should have achieved this by now, or I should have made this money by now. And when you don't reach your goals or the high expectations that you set for yourself, this is when jealousy starts to arise, because you start to feel like you are inadequate and you're a failure. If you feel jealousy and envy and you find that it's holding you back from doing everything that you want in your life, then it's time to make a change. It's so vital to do whatever it takes to get these feelings of jealousy and envy and insecurities out of your life, because it's stopping you from moving forward towards the dreams, forward towards the goals that you're setting for yourself. Now, before I go into some of my tips on how to manage these feelings of jealousy, if you like this video so far and you are enjoying this content and you'd like more just like this one, then be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's jump straight in to the practical tips to help you navigate this toxic mindset so you can finally break free and start working towards your dreams. Okay, so step one is self-awareness. You need to understand that jealousy and envy are toxic emotions that you need to remove from your body. By becoming aware of this, you get to understand the feelings of jealousy and envy. You get to understand the root cause, the triggers, and also it will allow you to give you that fire to do whatever it takes to overcome these feelings. Step number two, celebrate other people's successes. Now, when you see someone who you follow on Instagram, or when you see a friend who is celebrating an achievement that they've had in their life or in their business, be sure to send some love to them and send some positive vibes and celebrate their achievements. Because by doing this, you're rewiring your brain towards abundance and a positive money mindset. And what happens is that when you start rewiring that brain of yours, you start to attract more success into your own life. Step number three, learn from other people's successes. Study the success stories, the challenges of people who you are jealous of, because it's their challenges and their journey that can teach you valuable lessons on how you can progress in your own journey. Remember, success leaves clues. So instead of feeling resentment towards them, look for the clues. Look at what they've done, what works for them, and see if it can work to help you get to your own goals too. Step number four, focus on your own journey. It's so easy to get caught up in other people's lives, especially when you're on social media and it's just you constantly just get bombarded with everyone else's successes. And I understand that it can be hard, especially when you see them achieving things that you want to achieve for yourself. But just remember that everyone's journey is unique. Everyone has different challenges. Everyone has different goals. They've got different strengths. So set yourself realistic expectations and be sure to celebrate all the small victories that you experience along the way, because your path to success is just as valid as anyone else's. Step number five, cultivate gratitude. Practice gratitude daily. And this is such a powerful practice, even if you just choose 5 simple things that you are grateful for every morning. What this does to your mind is that it shifts your mind from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. So instead of looking in your life of things that you still haven't achieved yet, you are looking at it from a place of abundance and appreciation and gratitude. And gratitude is such a powerful feeling. And when you start to cultivate gratitude in your life, you'll start to attract more success, more abundance, more wealth, more love, whatever it is that you need. So be sure to try it out every morning and then just see what happens. If you want more videos like this one, be sure to check out my other videos over here. And if you find that you experience a lot of negativity and a lot of negative money blocks that's stopping you from creating success in your business and in your life, I have created how to overcome the top 10 money blocks. So you can download it from the description below, or you can visit my website, jovelinehead.com. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.